Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do a little clean with me video because my house is absolutely disgusting, which is like so annoying because I feel like every couple of months I get on here and I'm gonna do a clean and declutter with me, and then it's so pristine, and then a month later it's just chaos again. So this is me dealing with that chaos again. So we're gonna do my bedroom and bathroom today because I feel like there's a lot of stuff downstairs that needs to kind of come up here, but I just don't want to add to the mess that's up here because it's already so bad. So we're gonna do my living room or my bedroom and bathroom today and just get ourselves situated because this is like not it. So let me just show you guys what I mean. First of all, look at my freaking dresser piled with stuff. I've got all these clean clothes that need to get put away, and there's more clean clothes downstairs that need to get put away. Christmas sheets need to come off the bed so I can put regular cozy sheets on. All of this over here is either dirty clothes or giveaway clothes, which what's funny about this is that like I had it all separated out, and then I don't even remember how it got all jumbled up again, but it got jumbled up again, and so this needs to get sorted through what's keep, what's giveaway. Luckily my nightstand is still pretty organized on the inside and just has a couple things on top, so that's not terrible. More dirty clothes over here, need to take some trash out. Then we've got my bathroom, which is also a mess. Like, why do I have books and magazines in here from Christmas? Who knows? Just got like random jewelry that needs to get put away, Brendan's hair cutting stuff, more travel stuff that needs to get put away, dirty clothes, and my shower definitely needs to clean out. We've got like empty bottles just kind of everywhere. This is a mess up here, so I have a lot that I need to clean. Luckily, it's not that late in the day. It's like, what time is it, babe?
4.
It's 4 o'clock, so I feel like I can get this done in like maybe 2 or 3 hours, depending on how in-depth I go. So I'm hoping by the end of the day today, I can at least get these couple of rooms cleaned up so that later this week I can do like the living room and downstairs. So let's get to cleaning.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you.
Literally just made the whole bet and realized I didn't even film it.